Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning a simple and cool trick which might increase your productivity marginally. So let's see what do we have here. Let's say you have to launch an application in your desktop or laptop. So what are your common steps? Normally, you will look at the desktop or an icon where you can double click and launch it. Maybe a shortcut here. If you can't find that icon in the desktop, maybe we will look at the taskbar. If not in the taskbar as well, you might want to go to the start and search here. This is Windows 8. In other versions of the Windows, you might have the interface different, but here you can search the application that you want to open, or you can go to the section where all the applications are listed, and you will look for that particular application you want to launch. If you are able to find that application, you might click it and open it. Otherwise, you will again, here is a search text area where you can you know, search that particular application to launch it. Another way, which is comparatively the easier way, is to launch that particular application using the command rl command using Windows R. Here you can type anything like notepad, and a notepad opens. So obviously this is more convenient and time saving option if the desktop icons are not present, or the icons in the task bar is also not available. So run command saves a lot of time. So how cool will it be if you are able to open any application using run command? For example, if I want to open a calculator, I can't see the icon here. I can't see the icon in the taskbar here, neither on the desktop nor on the taskbar. As we discussed, we might go and search for a calculator here. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Here we can search, we got the result, we can launch it, or we can go to the section where all the applications are listed, and then we will try to locate um, the calculator application where it is listed. Here we can click and open it, or we can search here also, right? So but I haven't seen many people doing this while opening a calculator. They simply open the calculator using the run command. They simply type CALC. Everyone does that, including me. Remember, we don't type the whole word calculator, we just type CALC and the calculator launches. So how cool is it, right? To save your time, not only using your run command, but also typing a part of the word. In fact, that CLC is customized. So just imagine how cool will it be if you are able to open any of the application which is installed in your machine using run command. Welcome to Arbitrary Learnings. Here we will see in this video how to open any application using the run command. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to have to open any application from run command is the shortcut for the application which we want to launch. Okay. For example, I want to launch maybe TeamViewer, or let's take some easier example. Let's say I have to launch Microsoft Word using the run command. Okay. And I want to rename, basically I want to launch it using a custom name, just like what we have seen in opening calculator, right? So let's say, let's take this Microsoft Word example and we'll proceed. First of all, we have to locate the particular exe, the executable, which actually opens the Microsoft Word application. Okay. This is not the actual executable. This is a shortcut. How do we know this is a shortcut? Because of this small error. Okay. So let's locate the original executable of Microsoft Word. It's pretty simple. It's inside our C program files, inside Microsoft Office, Office 14, and here you can search for Windows Word, which is the launchable application, launchable exe for Windows Word. Okay, Microsoft Word. So now what we can do is we can just right click on this and we will send to desktop, which creates a shortcut in the desktop. See, now we can double click this from the desktop, and the Microsoft Word opens. Now we want to place it somewhere from where the run command can access it and open it for your convenience. We also want to rename it to something maybe which is easier to type. Maybe I will type um, s- anything like XYZ. So when I will type XYZ in the run command, it should launch the Microsoft Word. For that, we need to either cut or copy. I will do a cut, and we need to paste it somewhere where it's inside the Windows folder, and within the Windows folder, it should be inside the System32. I will just paste it. Okay. So this is the location where you need to paste your shortcuts to be accessed on the run command. Now that we have pasted the XYZ named shortcut here, this is a shortcut to Microsoft Word. Now we can go launch the run command, and we will just type XYZ, and it launches a Microsoft Word.